Welcome to the market channel. So today I'll be talking about how to start your investment and trading career in cryptocurrency. So, but before I continue, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the notification button. And also, please kindly smash the like button. And you can put the comment below if you have any question or how to go about it. If you don't understand anything, put the comment below and I will answer your question. Also, let's get started. The first point here is what is cryptocurrency? Most people don't know what cryptocurrency is all about. They've been hearing cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the likes, but they have been wondering that what it's all about. Well, let me just brief it. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital money. You understand? A digital asset based on blockchain technology, which you can use the crypto or which any of the coin to buy regular goods and services. Although many people invest in cryptocurrency as they will invest in other assets like stock, precious metal, gold, and the rest. And also many people trade cryptocurrency just like the way they are trading forex currency pairs and others like that. So that's all about cryptocurrency. That's just a brief note about it. And we have many cryptocurrencies. We have the like of Bitcoin, we have the like of Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and the rest. We have many coins in the market. If you check the coin market, cap.com, you will see many coins that we have in the market. So, another point I'll be talking about is don't give someone your funds to invest on your behalf to avoid being scammed. Many people, when they hear about cryptocurrency, be like, I don't know how to go about this. Maybe they not see someone that can trade, maybe a trader. They will say, okay, let me give you my money, let me give you so amount and trade for me or invest it for me. The return, give me a particular percentage. You know, most something about trade is that nothing, no matter how professional are you, they are always losing trades. There is no way that whatever you trade is always 100%. Your prediction can be accurate. You have to have some losses. You understand? Maybe along the way, the person actually maybe has some losses and then lost money, and maybe the person was unable to pay you. Maybe your return on capital, you feel like you have been scammed. But this thing does not require you to be giving someone your money to trade for you or that. Even though we have robots or like they can trade for you, but cryptocurrency is what you can control on your own. Or you can control it over your phone, over your system, and the others. You don't need to give someone your funds to invest for you, even though you are scared of trading, you are scared of losing money. But this is what you can do by yourself to avoid being scammed. You can give someone that you know very well, maybe your relative also, that is good in trading. You can give him or her money to trade for you. That's good. Or your friends, you can give them to trade for you. But if you don't have anyone that you can trust, maybe you just saw someone on something online that invest your fund there and gets so return, don't invest your fund. Yeah, just saw a website that invest this one, get this one return. You don't invest because you don't know them. They might be scammers. You understand? Don't just give anybody your funds to trade for you so that you not be scammed. This thing of a like, because I've had of many cases, I've had of many scenarios that people are saying that they gave so person money, gave so company money, and eventually they ran away with their money. They were unable to get their capital, unable to get their return. So I always tell them that this thing, you don't need to give someone your money to start trading. You don't even give someone money to start investing in cryptocurrency. All you need to do is just to get the app of an exchange, maybe a wallet or a exchange app, maybe like Binance, it's BTC, Bittrex, and the likes, Coinbase, and the likes. Just get it and then fund your account and continue. And your investment career has started. So, but what you need to do if you are just new to cryptocurrency is maybe you should go to Google, look for the exchange, the cryptocurrency exchange that is available in your location or your country. Like now, Binance exchange is mostly available in most countries, and even US, they have Binance US also. So you can use that one. So and also and also so that's what you need. Get the exchange in your country. Then after knowing the exchange, you can use Google, like I said, to search the exchange available or popular in your country. You can easily use, like my own country now. We can use Binance, we can use Bittrex, we can eat BTC, KuCoin, and the rest. So you can use Google to get yours also. And also always check the link so that you not be entering your details in another, maybe in a phishing website or so. And after that, register, then fund your account, maybe with USDT or with BTC or with anything. Just make sure you fund your account, maybe with your local currency, or then that you can use your card, you can use your you can even use pay to pay platform to even fund your account. So after funding your account, the next thing you need to do now is to know which coin to buy and which coin to and when to sell. No, first thing, either you can look for a signal group to get signal which coin to buy or to sell. You can use more token metrics and the rest. You understand? You can see some groups, or even if you know a professional trader that knows how to trade, you can seek advice or seek help, and look for how to get signal, and to know which coin to buy and which coin to sell. So also, or you can go to Google, search for which coin people are looking at to, people are looking up to. You understand? No, there has be some certain coin that everyone wants to get in. People are bullish about these popular coins. You can just buy them straight up, even without seeking for any any professional trader for a signal. You can just go through Google, look for those top five coins that people are bullish about, top coins that people are bullish about, coins that people are talking about most. You understand? Like the light of BTC, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Uniswap coin, Sushi, and the rest. You understand? So that's an example. And also, after you doing that, if you don't want to be using signal, or to start getting searching on Google which coin people are bullish about, you can learn technical analysis. That is, you learn how to read charts, analyze the market, which coin to buy, which coin to sell, when to buy, when to sell. You understand? You need technical analysis, you need fundamental analysis, you need to know information about the coins you are buying, you need to know a lot of things. You understand? The supply and the rest, you need to know. Yeah, you do some research. That's the fundamental analysis. Reading the chart, looking at what the movement of the coin, looking at it on the chart. You understand? Chart analysis, that's technical analysis. You can also learn that one. But if all these one is giving you a dig, you can just go for a simple one. You can use indicators. There are some indicators that you can use, but no indicator is 100% accuracy. There's 100%. You understand? There are some losses in trade and there are some winning trade. The main things that make sure that your wins are more than your losses. That is the most important things. Loss is inevitable. Loss is part of the market. You have to accept that there is loss in the market. Once you accept that, you can be able to move on. But the moment you are not able to accept that there are losses in the market, then you might have problem. So because the loss is part of it. Every day is not Christmas. You can't be winning all the time. You understand? Even you can use yourself as an example. Is it every day you smile, you shout it, you laugh? There are some time, even during the day, you have to calm down and think about maybe your past or your movements or about your life. So those are the example of what, of bad trades, and you understand, lose trade. So those times you laugh, those are example of winning trade. So everything, there can't be winning trade all the time. So there will be some losses. So our losses are inevitable. It's inevitable. It will occur. Or you can also check my channel, my last some videos about 1 2 3 strategy, which I put using the indicators. If technical analysis is giving you headache and you don't want to give yourself that much trouble, you can just use the indicators. You can check the video below in the comment section. 1 2 3 strategy using RSI and Bollinger Band, and it's very powerful. The two combination of those two indicators are very powerful. You can also use that. It's a very simple way to learn. So I will be stopping here for today. If you have any question, you can comment below. I will answer your question. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel, and smash the like button. I really like this video. And you can put a comment in this in the comment below, comment box, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. God bless.